Good morning reception. Today is Monday the 15th of June and today we're going to be drawing a picture and doing some writing, and then we are going to be doing some number bonds to 10. So our story this week, we're going to carry on learning about the story Tiddler, the storytelling fish, and I want you to have a little think. Last week we drew a picture of Tiddler. This week we're going to be drawing the vehicle that captured Tiddler in the net, which is the boat. Okay, so we're going to draw a picture of a boat and then we're going to try and add some labels using our speed sounds chart here. So let's start by drawing our picture of the boat. Got my pencil, tucking 2 fingers in, and I'm going to start by doing the shape of the boat here. So you can see there's a long line here and then sort of a pointy bit at the front. A bit more flat down at the back. And then there's some waves crashing along the bottom. Let's do the waves. Whoosh. Crashy waves along the bottom. And there's a mast with the sail. And there's some rings here. And out of the back, the net. Going into the water. Okay, there's my net. I'm sure your picture's going to be much better than mine. I'm having to do mine super quick. There we go. So there's my boat. Let's move the story of Tiddler out of the way. There. Okay, got our speed sounds chart here. So we're going to do some labels and we can look at this speed sounds chart to help us. So I think we could start by writing boat. Boat. O. 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 B. O. T. Boat. B. Oat. Boat. Boat. Okay. We've done boat using our sounds. Boat. Then should we write net? Well, I think this is pretty easy. We can just use our sounds easily for this one. No digraphs. N. E. T. Neck. Easily Fred took that. Net. Net. So we've got our boat, our net. Oh, sail. 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 A. 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 Sail. 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 Boat. Net. This post here in the middle that holds up the sail is called the mast. Mast. Drive the car. Mast. Mast. Got the boat, the sail, the mast, the net. Why don't we label the sea as well? The sea. Wow, I used loads of digraphs here. Look at that. I've labelled my boat using my sounds that I've learnt. See if you can try that as well. If you want to add extra things on, you can add extra things and label those as well. I'd love to see a picture of your boat. If you want to send a picture in to Miss Begg and Miss Cypher, and I'll be able to see it as well. Well done, everyone. So we've drawn our boat from Tiddler. Now, moving on, we're going to be doing some number bonds to 10. Okay, well done everyone. So we are trying to make 10. And we call it number bonds, or you could call it number families as well, is we're thinking about all the different ways that we can make 10. Okay? And there's a special relationship between our numbers to help them make 10. So here I've got 10 already. Oops. Just line those up there. So, got 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we're trying to make 10. Now, how could I make 10? Let's have a think. I could have 1. And then how many more would I need to add to make 10? Let's think. Here we go. So, I've put 1 here. And then to make 10, we need to add 9 more. Okay, so let's just check that that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. So 1 and 9 equals 10. But we could also swap it round and say 9 add 1 equals 10, couldn't we? 9, count on 1, 10. So you can say 9 and 1 or 1 add 9. They both give you 10. So that's a special relationship between the number 1 and 9. They are one of the number bonds to 10 because if you have 1 and 9 or if you have 9 and 1, both make 10. Okay, but what if we had number 2? Okay, so do you think 2 and 9 makes 10? Let's just try. I've got 2 there, 9 here. Let's do 9 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, that's too many. So 9 and 2 are not going to work. What number do you think I need with number 2? Yes, well done. I need number 8. Number 8. Let me get these ready and then I'll be back in a second. Hello again, everyone. So I've got 2 here and I've got 8 here. Let's just count and check. I'm going to count on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 2 and 8 makes 10. But what if I swap them around and I have 8 add 2? Will that still make 10? Let's just check. 8, 9, 10. Yes. So you can have 8 add 2 or 2 add 8. They've got a special relationship. Both of these, doesn't matter which order it's in, makes 10. So you know that if you've got an 8, you're going to need 2 more to make 10. Or if you've got a 2, you're going to need 8 more to make 10. So 1 and 9 have got a special relationship, haven't they? They always work together to make 10. 2 and 8 always work together to make 10. Let's have a try with 3, shall we? 3. And what number do we think we're going to need to make 10? We've got 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and... Have a little think, shout it out for me. Have you guessed it? So I've got 1, 2, 3 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 and 7. 3 and 7 makes 10. And if I do 7 add 3, will it still make 10? Let's check. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 3 and 7 have got that special relationship, just like 1 and 9, just like 2 and 8. When you have a 7, you're always going to need a number 3 to make 10. And when you have a number 3, you're always going to need a number 7 to make 10. 3 and 7 work together to make 10. Okay, so we've got 1 and 9, 2 and 8 work together, 3 and 7 work together. Now number 4. What do you think is going to work with the number 4 to help us make 10? You have a think, and I'm going to get it ready. Okay, let's see. So we've got 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 and 6. 6. 4 and 6 is going to make 10. And you can swap it round. You have 6 and 4, still going to make 10. Okay, when you have a 6, you're always going to need a number 4 to make 10. If you have a number 4, you're always going to need a number 6 to make 10, because they have that special relationship. They are number bonds to 10. So 1 and 9, 2 and 8 work together, 3 and 7 working together, 4 and 6 working together. Number 5, now this is an interesting one. What do you think might be paired with number 5 to make 10? Number 5 doesn't need to work with a different number, because 5 is exactly half of 10. So if you have 5, you need another 5, because 5 is half of 10. Like you can see in the picture here, you've got 5 crayons, add 5 crayons. And if you swap it round, it's 5 crayons, add 5 crayons. So 5 is half of 10, and 5 will just need itself again to make 10. All right, so they're all the different ways that you can make 10. 1 and 9, 9 and 1. 2 and 8, 8 and 2, 3 and 7, 7 and 3, 4 and 6, 6 and 4, or 5 and 5. All the ways you can make 10. I've used these toys, but Miss Begum and Miss Safer have challenged you to try and make some paper chains so they can look like this. You can hang them, you can make one that's 10 long, and then you can make, using different colours, you can make a 2 and an 8, a 3 and a 7, a 4 and a 6, so that you can see how they make 10. All right, see if you can have a go at doing that. Well done, everyone. I will see you all again later for 30 Days Wild, and have a wonderful day. Bye.